Question number 11.3. In the first part, draw the structures of all isomeric alcohols of molecular formula C5H12O and give their IUPAC names. So in the first part, it is the question of only isomeric alcohols, no other compounds. So we are thinking about the isomers. First one is C5H12O. That means 5 carbon atoms. So first we are making the carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the simplest chain. And here at the first carbon atom, we are putting OH group. And the remaining valencies of carbon are satisfied by hydrogen. So CH2, this should be CH2, and then again CH2, and this is CH2. So this is first isomer. Now come to second isomer. In the second isomer, the carbon skeleton will remain same, that is 5 carbon atoms are in one line, and this time we are keeping OH group at the second carbon atom and remaining hydrogen. So one hydrogen needed here, here 2 hydrogen, here also 2 hydrogen, and this should be CH3. Now in the third isomer, skeleton again will remain same, all 5 carbon atom in one line, and OH is coming at the third carbon atom and remaining hydrogen. So this should be CH, this is CH2, and this is CH3. The fourth one is not the same skeleton. Now if we are putting OH group here, it is the same compound as second one. So carbon skeleton should be changed. And here 4 carbon are in one line and 1 is here. And in this skeleton, first carbon is having OH group. So we are going systematically to get all the isomers. CH2 here, here again CH2, and this one is CH, this is CH3, and this should be CH3. Fifth isomer should be 1, 2, 3, 4, and this was the skeleton, and now we are putting OH group at this second carbon atom. So CH3, CH will be here, CH here, but here CH3 and CH3. This is the fifth isomer. Now come to sixth isomer. Sixth isomer is when the carbon skeleton is same, but OH is coming at the third carbon atom. So CH3, CH2, CH3, and CH3. And in the seventh carbon isomer, we are keeping the skeleton same, and this time OH is coming over here, and it is CH2, CH, CH2, and CH3. This is also CH3. Now in the next one, that is the fifth, sixth, seventh, this should be seventh, and here it is eighth one. In the eighth one, if we are putting OH group here, it is the same compound, so we have to change the skeleton, and this time 3 carbon atom are in one line and 1 carbon here and second carbon here. And here you are keeping the OH group and the remaining hydrogen. CH3, CH3, no hydrogen will be here, and here again CH3. So all methyl groups are same. If OH is kept over here, here, or here, the isomer will remain same. So these 8 isomers are possible in case of C5H12O. Now come to their IUPAC names. For the IUPAC name, first of all, select the longest carbon chain. It is pentane, and number it in such a way so that the carbon containing OH should get least number. So first one should be 1 pentanol. Second should be 2 pentanol. Third should be 3 pentanol. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, that means butanol. 1 butanol it should be, and at the third carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. Third carbon methyl group is present. So you will write the name 3-methyl, 1-butanol. And now come to this fifth one. This is again 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can write 3-methyl, 2-butanol. OL should be clear. And here it should be 1, 2, 2-methyl, 2-butanol. OL. And after that, this one should be 1, 2, 3 at the second carbon methyl group. So 2-methyl, it should be 2-methyl, 1-butanol. Methyl 1-butanol. And last one is actually neopentyl alcohol is the common name, but IUPAC name should be 2,2-dimethyl, 1-propanol. 1, 2, 3 in the longest chain, and first carbon is having OH group. So it should be 1-propanol. So these are all IUPAC name, and this is all about the first part. Now come to this next part. In the next part, the question is classify the isomers of alcohol in question 11.31 as primary, secondary, and tertiary. As you know that we have to see the carbon which is containing OH group. It is primary, secondary, or tertiary. Here this carbon is primary carbon which is having OH group. This is primary carbon. So the alcohol is primary alcohol. And here this carbon is secondary carbon. So this alcohol should be secondary alcohol. And here this carbon is again secondary alcohol. So secondary carbon. So this should be secondary alcohol. And this one carbon attached to OH is further attached to only one carbon atom. So this carbon is primary carbon. So this alcohol should be primary alcohol. And here this carbon which is having OH group is further attached to two carbon atoms. So it is secondary carbon which is having OH group. So this alcohol should be secondary alcohol. Here the carbon containing OH is further attached to three carbon atoms. So this carbon is tertiary carbon, and the alcohol is also tertiary. And here the carbon having OH group is further attached to only one carbon. So this carbon is actually primary carbon, and the alcohol is also primary alcohol. Here again, This carbon is quaternary, but what about this carbon which is containing OH group is further attached to only one carbon atom. So it is primary carbon, and that is why the alcohol will remain primary alcohol.